Hey guys, today another engineering economy video. Okay, part 6. So this is benefit cost ratio or the BCR. This is most commonly used sa mga projects. Okay, so problem: a project yields benefits 20,000 pesos per year for 6 years. Initial cost is 80,000 and the annual OM cost is, OM means operation and maintenance cost, which is 2,000. Interest rate of 7%. Find the benefit cost ratio or the present worth basis. Okay, so present worth basis. So formula ng present worth basis is equals to, okay, which is the benefit multiplied by, okay, 1 minus 1 plus I raised to n, negative n, kasi ang hinahanap is present worth basis. Sinabi ko na sa last kong mga video na negative n to, kasi kung future, this is positive, no? Kung present, ini-imagine mo kasi na pabalik yung yung account, yung worth. So mini-negative mo talaga siya, no? So the present present worth is ganun din yung formula. Okay, so this is 20,000, okay, times 1 minus 1 plus I. What is I? 0.07%. Mas yung negative n na 6 years over 0.07. Okay, so the present worth is, okay, round off na natin. Oh, sorry sa last video yan. So this is 97. Okay, the answer is 97. So yun naman present worth ng O&M, which is operation and maintenance. Compute mo yan. So yung niya, benefit is 2,000 multiplied by 1 minus 0.07 over 0.07. Ito ang raised to negative 6. So the present is 97k ito, 97k ito. Okay, this is equals to 9,786.84. So the total, ito lang, total present cost is equals to, yung total is 80,000, sorry, plus yung PWO, kasi i-add nyo na lang yung, ima-minus nyo 97 minus 9, 7k ito minus 9, which is ito yon, plus ito yung present worth, ito yung equal si BCR, which is 89,706 sorry, 84. So yan, benefit cost ratio, this is a ratio, so this is unitless divided by total cost, present cost. So this is 97,000, okay, divided by 89, okay, na lang natin. So this will be, so BCR na lang, benefit cost ratio is equals to 1.0648. So pag alam nyo na, this is 100%, labi. Pag greater than 1, benefit exceed cost the present worth basis. Okay, so okay siya na. Okay, so see you in my next video. Thank you guys for watching. Follow my page for more videos. Thank you.